Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. Like I said in previous videos, I've moved into my new house here in Alberta, and this is like the new filming area. I've got this really nice porch now, and lots of backyard space. So a lot of my videos will just be on these kind of steps. We've got a good lighting here, and these are some props, some figures, whatnot, for future videos that are coming soon. We've got the Herrerasaurus Dino escape figures that I'll be reviewing. They've got some eye variations, so we'll be taking a look at that. Got some minis, we'll be looking at how many can fit in the Carnotaurus. Got some of the newer sound figures, like this guy here. And I might be making some short films, stuff like that. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did some pretty scary photography with this guy down in my unfinished basement. The perfect place. It's got lots of exposed piping, concrete, stuff like that. So maybe I'll create a short film with this guy and see what's going on there. I'll also do a video on all the figures inside of this crate that I'll be using for videos and short films and all that jazz. But I'm excited to finally use this guy in some of those. So yeah, no. It's looking pretty fun, and I'm excited to get to making more content for you guys to watch. I want to spend more time on that since I'm going into uni now. I'll be on campus. I just checked out my my little dorm, and it comes with a bathroom and everything, which is sick. I can't wait to set up there. I'll show you guys what's happening once I set that up with all the posters and whatnot. So I'll bring some double figures and whatnot to uni, set them up on the shelves, so I think that'll be cute. And yeah, no, I'll keep you guys updated with what's going on with that, and I'll make sure to be pumping out more content even though I'll be in university. I'll probably use the weekends to do filming and then schedule releases throughout the week of the content that I make. And I might actually also get my mom to produce some videos. Since I'll be busy at school, she'll probably be out toy hunting. So a few of the videos that you'll see will probably just be her videoing, you know, the shelves and whatnot for me, which is great. I'm glad that she does that. And maybe some room videos. I don't have shelves in my room just yet, but once I get shelves up, I'll do some room tours for you guys, so you guys can see what's happening in there, how cool it looks, because now I have the freedom to set it up from scratch. I'll probably have to hit IKEA first. I mean, might be fun doing a video of shelf hunting in IKEA. Oh, we got a wasp friend. Yeah, no, so, and I also want to do more videos like this, just tell you guys what's happening, what's up. Now that my channel is growing, little wasp friend, okay. Yeah, now that it's growing, we're far past, well, a bit past 3,000 now. I think we just hit, the wasp is trying to go on me. God damn. Where are you going, bud? Okay, anyways, yeah, so we're at like 3,100 something, which is awesome. I'm so glad for that we hit that mile marker. And at the moment, one of my videos is really carrying me in terms of revenue. I think it's some, the Schleich Dinosaur Center one, whatever it's called. That one's just blowing up at the moment, and I kind of want to do more content like that. If you guys notice some of my videos getting pretty repetitive or clickbaity, it's just because I want some more growth, and of course that ad revenue is really helping me out in collecting more figures, and I'm hoping eventually I can start using it to pay for university classes and stuff like that. That might be really cool down the road. So I'm glad for all of you guys who've stuck with me and kind of been supporting my channel in all sorts of ways with your comments and whatnot. Now I've gotten to the point where I'm getting so many comments, so if you don't get like a comment back or whatever, I have seen your comments, don't worry, and I appreciate all of them. I'll try to do that more in the future as time goes on. All you loyal subs out there, it's great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update video, and I'll make sure to produce more content on these guys in the near future. Hope to see you all in those videos, and ciao for now.